In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the double mouse cursor in Teamviewer. If you've ever connected to a remote computer and noticed two pointers on screen, yours and your partner's, it can be distracting and make precise clicking harder. The good news is, Teamviewer includes a simple setting to hide that extra cursor so you can focus on controlling the remote machine smoothly. First, open the Teamviewer app on your computer. You can do this before starting a remote session or while one is already running. If you haven't updated in a while, it's a good idea to be on a recent version so the menus look familiar and the setting is exactly where we expect it. Next, look for the gear icon near the top right of the Teamviewer window. That's your entry point to the application settings. On some versions or on certain operating systems, you might find the same options under the main menu labeled Options or Preferences. Either way, we're heading into the General Settings area for the app. Inside Settings, select the section called Remote Control. This area governs how your remote sessions behave, things like performance, quality, and input. We're focusing on what you see and how the pointer is displayed during control. Within Remote Control, choose Display. Display controls the visual aspects of your session, including how the remote desktop is rendered and what UI elements appear. This is where the cursor display option lives. Now, locate the option labeled Show Your Partner's Cursor and turn it off. It may appear as a checkbox or a toggle. Disabling this ensures that you'll only see your own mouse pointer while controlling the remote computer. The partner's pointer won't be shown, which removes that duplicated cursor effect. In most cases, Teamviewer saves this change immediately. If you see Apply or OK, click it to confirm. If you're mid-session, the change typically takes effect right away. If not, just reconnect and you'll notice the difference. A quick note on what to expect. After turning this off, all controls still work exactly the same. You can click, drag, and navigate as usual. You're simply hiding the visual representation of the other user's mouse. If you ever need to collaborate and want to see where the person on the other end is pointing, you can come back to the same setting and re-enable it. That's it. By adjusting a single display setting in remote control, you eliminate the double cursor and make your remote work cleaner and less confusing. Thanks for watching and enjoy a clearer, more focused Teamviewer session.